Welcome to Gemini Automation Systems.
In this video, you'll discover the essential steps for determining when, why, and how to replace the pickup in your Gemini sliding gate motor. When initiating your gate's activation and encountering a potential pickup malfunction, you'll observe a similar demonstration, just like what's being showcased in this example. Look out for an abrupt halt in both directions. By following the upcoming steps, you'll have your motor up and running within a matter of minutes. Located at the upper part of your motor, you'll find a red clip securely placed within the dust cover. For older models, this red clip will be positioned closer to the gearbox at the lower end. If you're dealing with this scenario, simply extract the red clip, perform a thorough cleaning, and eliminate any oil residue present on the pickup and inside underneath the motor. If these steps fail to resolve the issue, you might need to consider replacing the pickup as a potential solution. Returning to this model, you can start by removing the red clip and loosening the 4 small screws on top of the dust cover. After successfully removing the screws, you'll be able to gently lift off the dust cover, unveiling a clear view of the green coupling and the pulse disc. Should you spot any discernible dust particles or plastic shavings within, it becomes imperative to clean and eliminate all remnants. If feasible, consider using compressed air to thoroughly blow out the interior of the dust cover. Ensure the green coupling is firmly in position by applying downward pressure. Maintain a minimal gap between the coupling and the motor's top surface. Prioritize cleaning the pickup itself. This step is important since improper cleaning could lead to the necessity of replacing the pickup. You can now proceed to reattach the dust cover, securing it in place and fasten the screws, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, reposition the red clip within the confines of the dust cover. With these steps successfully executed, your motor should now be fully operational. It's worth noting that you have the option to reset the motor's limits in case it doesn't open and close to its full extent.